What's up, y'all? It's Kamiyah Queen back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing these Nike prestos that I got from Finish Line. They're in a size 9.5, and I'm just going to be showing you guys what they look like on feet, and I'm going to show you like a first impression of what they look like straight out the box. So yeah, let's just get straight to unboxing. Comes in this basic brown box. So I'm just gonna slice it open. I don't know why, but that was just so satisfying just now. Like, that was something. I'm kind of scared. Like, what if these don't fit? Because I've never had a pair of Nike Prestos, but it says they run true to size. And boom, Nike box. Snap. These look too shady. Let me give y'all a closer look. The speckle on the bottom of the shoe, like, what? Like, do you see that? These are killer. Oh yeah, these are about to be sexy. These are killer. So yeah, that's the end of this video. If you do want to get these, I think you should get true to size, because if you get them too big, they'll be way too big. Like, order your size. They run true to size. That's all I can say. They are fucking sexy. Like, get these fucking shoes. Like, if you're thinking about them, don't think anymore. Just go buy them right the fuck now, because they fit so nice and they look so nice, especially with black jeans. Like, fucking get them. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so that I know that people like these types of videos from me. I mean, yeah. So yeah, that's the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.